Hey everyone, Tony here with Genuine Comfort. I want to answer the question on which furnaces are the quietest. Um, so, we're not going to discuss brand or anything on this video, but what I do want to discuss is single stage versus two stage and modulating. Typically, anytime you go modulating and two stage, whether you go 80% or 90% category, the modulating and the two stage furnaces are definitely the quietest because they start off at a low stage. That blower kicks on slower and then amps up to where it needs to. So you'll typically find that modulating and two stage furnaces, whether it be 80% or 90%, are the quietest. Thanks so much. Have a good day.